Oh man, I missed again. Okay. What's going on? I'm trying to get myself together here. I just woke up late. I wanted to film this before I was on my way to the dealership. The location, but I ended up waking up late and like missing my appointment, so I gotta like rush there now and pray they have a car for me. I'm going to the dealership. As you can see, it is 90, well the car says 90 degrees, so it's 90 degrees. You already know I got in Sport Plus because I'm about to drop it off, so I might as well have fun. I'm dropping off the car to the dealership for a couple of reasons. I got the windows down because the AC doesn't work. Try going back and forth with the AC button, clicking it higher and lower, changing the temperatures. I'm not sure what it is, whether it's a leak in the system with the Freon, a compressor, or maybe like a control panel malfunction. I'm pretty sure the temperature sensor works. Don't quote me on that. But it's saying it's 90 degrees, so I'm assuming the car knows that it's 90 degrees. Don't quote me on that. It's not my job to figure out. That's why this car is under warranty. It's BMW's job to figure that out. It was working before, and I noticed it on the way after picking up the car. It hit me by surprise, so I'm gonna take it to them, let them see. I was already gonna take it to them for a couple of things. Sorry. I'm gonna get back to you when I'm on the highway because this is killing me. All right, I'm back. I'm on the highway. I'm gonna try to get a tunnel pull. First gear to second gear. Nothing too crazy. Stock exhaust, well, the M Performance exhaust. Stock, well, I guess BMW stock. It's not aftermarket or anything. Well, it's not like any kind of custom setup. That's just how it comes from factory. So I'm back. Like I was saying before, I got a little caught up pretty easy. But I'm trying to work on this lighting situation. There we go. Lighting is way better now. I have to suffer from heat exhaustion. But anyway, we got a breeze going. I'm having an issue with the AC, the air conditioner malfunctioned on me. I'm taking this, gonna go look at it now. I was already gonna take it to the dealership, seeing that I bought the car with 46,000 miles. Whenever you get around this mileage, a couple things on these cars tend to wear out. And I know that's pretty soon, but you have the gaskets for the motor. So you have the oil filter housing gasket, the valve cover gasket, like little things like that tend to go on these cars around this mileage. My last car did the same thing. It actually lasted a little bit longer. This one I smell nothing. The symptoms are you smell like an oil, or like it's almost like you have like an oil leak, or well, it is an oil leak, but you smell like oil's like burning and dripping. You may think you have an exhaust leak. I know I did at first, but it ended up being the oil leaking onto the catalytic converter from the back of the valve cover and from the oil filter gasket. But wish me luck. I might not even end up getting a loader anyway, simply because I cannot find my driver's license. In addition to the AC, the key fob, one of the key fobs were perfectly fine. The newer key fob, it just keeps saying replace key battery, which I think it needs exactly what it says. The key goes in and out. Comfort access works perfectly, but the buttons, it goes in and out, which could possibly mean it needs a new battery. Hence, the car telling me it needs a new battery. Now, the front brakes were replaced. They're brand new, I can tell, and I looked at the service history. However, the rears were not. The rears aren't bad to me, but the rotors are a little rusted. So I'm going to try to see if I can squeeze BMW out of some rear brakes and calipers, seeing that the car is covered under warranty from that. I'm going to see if I could, tell them like, park brake or something where I need new brakes, just because I want the backs to look as clean as the fronts. I gotta check the list for the other things I should complain about to BMW, but I think that's pretty much it. I would tell them to look at like the condition of the charge pipe and everything, but I don't feel any lag because those tend to go around this time too. However, the most common upgrade is a charge pipe, which hint definitely will happen because we're gonna be making more power. All right, we're gonna be helping the motor breathe a little bit shortly. I'm just getting everything squared away with inspections and getting hard plates on the car. Everything, getting the car dialed in, getting some freaking air in this thing. But yeah, so listen, a lot of stuff's gonna try to go down, but I'm gonna get back to you guys. Goodbye. I'm gonna get there. Don't rush me. Goodbye.